Hey guys, Trey here from Scratchaway Detailing. We've got our next two cars in for our full ceramic coating and paint correction package. Let's see what we're working with.
So we've just washed the Audi R8 and we've done an inspection. There's a few swirls and marring in the paint, as expected from a car of this age, typically from incorrect washing techniques, but nothing we can't remove.
The condition on the paint on the A45 wasn't too bad, but we still carried out a decontamination wash, which covers things like tar, road grime and any other build-up from transport or pre-delivery. We then carry out an inspection once it's clean to see any areas that need extra attention, such as the black gloss fillers, which are usually pretty scratched up. And then we carry out a single stage polish just to ensure any scratches or marring is removed and provides the coating with the best possible surface to adhere to long term. We've finished the entire polish on the R8 now. We went through and gave it all a heavy rotary cut to get the deeper scratches out. And then we went through with the dual action polisher and refined it to get any last marring or anything that affects the overall quality of the finish. We also took off the badge and repainted it as a soft center, and the paint was failing and we couldn't leave it like that. So now we're just going through removing any residual oil off the paint. It's going to affect how the coating adheres. So we'll go through, wipe it all down, and then we'll begin the coating process.